Hello viewers, this is IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to open a user account in administrative privilege in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first we go to Windows Start menu and right click of the mouse and go to Computer Management and expand the local users and group and click users and click right click of the mouse and click new users and given name, we given name IT Learning and password criteria, we check mark never express and user cannot change password and create and given password and create button, click it and close this windows and we are see create users. We want to give administrative privilege. We go to search bar and type net PL with we type net PL with and run it administrator and click administrator account and go to property options and click group member and give check mark administrator and click apply button and click OK and close this window. In this way we want to create a administrator or user account. If this video is benefit for you, so I request you subscribe my channel and keep watching next tutorial. Thank you very much for watching this video.